how to make your Xr6 turbo flutter for fucking a couple bucks. This is all you're gonna need. A fucking one of those little door stops, just the little ones, and a fucking hose clamp. So you'll want to take this off. It will be hard, especially if it's never been touched, but you just get your fucking pair of these. Yeah, you got the fucking clamp out of the way. You're just gonna want to fucking bit tight in here, so. Push out the way. Get your door stop with the fucking hose clamp on it. Push it on, slide it on like that. And you tighten her up, just like that. It will sound better if you've got like a shitty fucking intake like this, you know. It will sound a bit better, but either way, it'll still be loud, still be noticeable.